Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by defining the dashboard purpose and audience in one sentence. Identify 5 core KPIs to measure progress, budget variance, scope change, quality, and risk. Decide on 3 dashboard pages: overview, timeline, and resource allocation for focused insight. Allocate 1 data source per system and combine them using Power Query. Estimate the cadence for updates and owner responsibilities for each KPI. Confirm stakeholders. Accept the plan before you build visuals and models. Bring all project tables into Power Query and perform cleansing steps. Use functions to trim text, convert dates, and standardize currency and numeric values. Merge 2 to 5 tables into a consolidated staging table before loading to the model. Design a star schema with 1 fact table and appropriate dimension tables for resources, tasks, and time. Create measures using DAX to calculate percent complete, earned value, CPI, and schedule variance. Validate results against source reports and reconcile sums. Choose visuals that clearly convey status and trends while avoiding clutter. Use KPI cards, a Gantt chart for schedule, stacked bars for allocation, and line trends for progress. Add slicers for project, phase, and owner so users filter instantly. Apply a 16:9 layout, consistent theme colors, and 1 navigation button per page for usability. Publish the report to a workspace and configure scheduled refresh hourly or daily based on data velocity. Share access with stakeholders and collect feedback for iteration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.